friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. You all know we have started an exclusive interview series. The questions were asked in PhD admission, MTech admission in different research institutes and IITs. So today we are back with another question, and this question was asked in Aizer Tirupati PhD interview this year. So please watch the video carefully till the end. The question is, draw the structure of a hydrogen atom from Bohr model, the model with stationary waves. First we have to understand what is Bohr model, and then we will understand the model with stationary waves. So we all know the Bohr model has three postulates. The first one is the instead of the continuous orbits only that is allowed in the classical mechanics, in the Bohr case only a discrete set of circular orbits are possible, and these orbits are called stationary orbits, or the states are called stationary states, and those are only allowed. And in these stationary states atoms can have certain stable energies like E1, E2, E3, etc. Now the next one is the allowed orbits corresponding to those for which the orbital angular momentum of the electron is an integer multiple of h cross, that is L equals to nh cross, and it is known as Bohr quantization rule of the angular momentum. And the third one is while electron remains in the stationary orbit, it does not radiate electromagnetic energy, and this is the most fundamental thing that was classically whenever the charge is moving it will oscillate or it will emit electromagnetic radiation, and this is something that is exclusively allowed in quantum mechanics, and it is that in the stationary orbit the electron does not radiate any kind of electromagnetic radiation or any kind of energy. The emission and absorption of radiation can take place only when electron jumps from an allowed orbit to another allowed orbit. Okay, so suppose the electron is jumping from En to Em, so the absorption of radiation that is absorbed by the electron will be h nu, and it will come back to En from Em. It will emit a radiation that is amount of h nu. So an atom may emit or absorb radiation by having the electron jump to a lower or to a higher orbit. So let's visualize the things what we have learned. That is, suppose this is a nucleus inside, this is a point inside, and n nucleus is shown to be like a point, and n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, there are different certain stable orbits. So if in the certain radiation is incident on the atom, then the electrons can excite and can jump to an higher excited level, and then it come back to its lower state to be stable. So it can emit energy or it can emit radiation, and we get different series like Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Pfund series. Okay, and these are the emitted spectral lines. This is the Balmer series which lies in visible range. Now we have to understand what is the model in view of wave mechanics. Now, in view of wave mechanics, an electron moving in a circular orbit of radius r with a constant speed v is associated with a de Broglie wavelength. So, de Broglie wavelength lambda is h by p or h by mv, where v is the velocity of the electron, m is the mass of the electron. Now, the Bohr postulate which we have learned that MBr or L is equals to nh cross, or n into h by 2 pi. Now you write this here, take this here, 2 pi into r equals to nh divided by mv. Now 2 pi r equals to nh by mv, so h by mv is h by p, or h by p, or you can write from de Broglie wavelength, that is lambda. So we get 2 pi r equals to n lambda. So what does it mean? This means the circumference 2 pi r of the orbit is an integral multiple of the wavelength lambda and wavelength of the electron. And what does it mean? This means that the wave at any point will be in phase with the wave that would result after the electron completes one revolution. That means these waves will interfere constructively, causing the formation of standing wave. Look here, this is a formation of standing wave. Suppose this is the lambda, the wavelength of the electron, and it is constructively interfering with each other, and they will form a stationary wave or standing wave. And we all know the standing wave, the energy does not transit. Okay, there is no flow of energy. That's why the waves are stationary orbit. Suppose if we do not follow the rule, if we do violate, there is a violation of quantum Bohr quantization rule, that is MBR. If MBR is not equals to NH cross, then what will happen? The waves will destructively interfere with each other and the wave will disappear. So the electron has undergone many revolution and the wave train will cancel each other and electron wave will vanish. So this is the wave model that we should understand. I hope you understand the video and you understand the physical picture also. Now let's we have to summarize the thing what we have learned, that one can justify this by saying that electron is a standing wave in a circular orbit around the proton, because we are telling in case of hydrogen atom. The standing wave will have nodes and be an integral number of wavelengths, that is 2 pi r equals to n lambda or n into h by p, or angular momentum is L equals to r into p or equals to nh by 2 pi or nh cross, and this is the Bohr's crucial assumption. And the energy is also quantized, angular momentum is also quantized. So if you are asked to tell them the wavelengths, okay, so for n equal, for the different orbits, for n equals to 1, lambda 1 will be 2 pi r1. For n equals to 2, 2 into lambda 2 equals to 2 pi r1. 2 into lambda 2 equals to 2 pi r1. For n equals to 3, 3 into lambda 3 equals to 2 pi r1. So the wavelengths are like for lambda n equals to 1, lambda 1 equals to 6.28 a0. A0 is the Bohr radius. For n equals to 2, lambda 2 is 2.51 a2. For a0. For lambda 3, n equals to 3, lambda 3 equals to 1.85 a3. So this is the pictorial diagram of the wave model of hydrogen atom. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you find our efforts are being helpful for you, you can support us, that is given in the link that is given in description below. Thank you.